Videoing.
We call him the blister. Shows up when the work's all done. Oops. Wait, let me see how. Are you gonna step on? No, you're fine. What? What? Yes, shotgun. I got shotgun. Here's our guide.
No, those will work. Let's go. Yeah, I'm wearing. Watch the rods when we jump in. Yeah. Yeah, good luck with that.
Are those your work shoes?
Seriously,
yes.
Those are the most expensive rods I've ever
Nice.
owned.
These aren't, but I don't care. Apparently Gavin was born smart, so this is something that we didn't know.
Apparently he said he was.
Alright, crew out.
Oh!
Golly! It does smell like power bait. No, we're good. Thanks. Jeez, William. You chill out with those farts.
Work one of them? Sure, I'll work one of those.
There's a puppy dog. Hey, doggy.
I'll let her shut the hook off the scout.
Beautiful evening. Probably going to be throwing a jerk bait, maybe a jig or two. It's toward the end of January. We've had a few days of warm weather, or warmer in the 60s. Nights have been kind of cold, but it's a good opportunity to get out, maybe get a jig bite or a jerk bait bite. There's a lot of crawdads and excuse me, shad in this lake. Cut it out! Hey! Stop it! That's gross! You're weird. He knows it too. There's a little bit of wind coming at us, so we're probably gonna hit that front corner first. I mean, this is all good area to fish, but we got some rocks over in this corner that we found when the pond was low during the summer. But one thing that I have found fishing this pond is the windblown bank typically is where you would fish, because of it blows all the plankton and bait fish over here. But this pond's weird. If this bank isn't on, the opposite bank will be. So I'm gonna do a few trial casts here and see how it goes. Hey Cisco. Hey Bubba. Tear it up.
This thing super light, but if you cast it right, you can get it really far. What you do is just leave more line off the tip of your rod. Pretty far for that line.
What pound line are you using?
Like 20 pounds or
Facts. Hey! So William has found himself some line. It looked like a fish. It felt like a fish, but it wasn't a fish.
That's great.
So this might be better than catching a fish.
It all depends.
It's all in the deep end too. Oh, did it break? That's not quick. Drop your rod. Did it break? Yeah, the line broke. Oh, bummer.